Hello guys, my name's Ethan and today I'm doing a demo. This is, well, I don't know what to call it. You're gonna have to...
Oh, sorry.
Jesus! I'm starting over again.
Are you recording already?
Yes. And then you did a big burp.
Sorry.
Okay, I'm recording again.
Sorry.
Hey guys, today I got this and it's a demo and you can probably see what it is. I don't know what it is to call actually. But what my friend suggested, a chicken without a body pooping. So yeah, you're gonna name it and you have to go in. Boom, bam, bomb, 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 bam, bomb, bomb, bomb.